Horses out of Harmony. Pass to begin. Mikey's moving up on the outside. Perfect timing. Windy Wind, Yellow Cat, Immaculate, Dandino, Seeds of Wisdom, and Flawless is the early trailer. We have perfect timing running on the outside. Armory in between horses. Windy Wind. Mikey's is racing in port. And on the outside, Peep, Dandino, Immaculate comes next. Yellow Cat, Seeds of Wisdom, and Flawless still racing in last. Meanwhile, two runners fighting it out for the lead. Down on the inside is Windy Wind, and on the outside is Armory. 3 lengths away in third. Perfect timing. Immaculate now to take fourth, and on the outside, Peep, Mikey's. Dandino comes next. Yellow Cat, Seeds of Wisdom, and Flawless is still racing in last. Armory takes the lead under Ipinahilap. Down on the inside is Windy Wind, and here comes perfect timing with John Alvin Guse. So as with Immaculate with JB Guse now to take the lead. Immaculate this time by a length and a half. And in second is Armory. Yellow Cat, perfect timing. Mikey, Seeds of Wisdom as they come down at the last 150. We have Immaculate by about 3 lengths. Seeds of Wisdom in second. And on the inside is Yellow Cat. But it's still Immaculate, Seeds of Wisdom on the outside. Immaculate, Seeds of Wisdom on the outside. Seeds of Wisdom moves up. And finally, Seeds of Wisdom, Immaculate, Yellow Cat. Then comes Flawless.
41576. Tiado.
Seeds of Wisdom.
Seeds of Wisdom.
Parang